If you had just $100 to invest, what would you do with it? Most people think they need thousands to start investing, but the truth is, you don't. The key is knowing where to put that $100 so it works for you, not just sits in a bank account losing value. Let's break it down. Imagine two beginners, Alex and Jordan. Both have $100. Alex jumps in blindly, hoping for quick gains. Jordan takes a smarter approach, looking at 5 key factors before making a move. First, learning curve. How long does it take to understand an investment? The shorter, the better. Then, passive income potential. Can this money make more money without selling? Next, tax efficiency. Some investments offer huge tax advantages, others ignore. Then, risk level. How much can you afford to lose? And finally, results. Because at the end of the day, we want to know, how much is my $100 worth over time? So, where would you invest your $100 today? The answer could be the difference between wasted potential and real financial growth.